Terra's Smart Humidity Modules transform passive ValuLine Desiccators into an affordable, automatic, gas-purged system, all in less than 2 minutes. First, install an RB valve if your desiccator does not already have one. Place the foam gasket over the side of the humidity module. Use the push-connect elbow fitting and the set point buttons to align the humidity module with the ports in the desiccator cabinet. Use the provided screws to attach the humidity module to the cabinet. Lightly tighten the push-connect elbow fitting. Plug in the 12-volt power supply and set your desired relative humidity. Connect the gas tubing to an air supply, such as one of Terra's compact nitrogen generators. Visit TerraUniversal.com to compare pricing for turnkey solutions. For immediate assistance, contact a Terra specialist via phone, email, or web chat to discuss your requirements today.